Look. Something stuck inside na nabilin din na ang pin sa auxiliary na to sa line. Line A. Oh, anya tawag ko na ani broken RCA. So we're going to pull this. We need candle, lighter, and saan eh? Lansang nail. Sige. I-pull na to. Dili mo na to magamit. Okay, namin nagbabag. So, we're going to remove that. We'll try to remove that. And hopefully makuha na siya. Okay, gamit kayong speaker. Okay. And then let's wait for it to cool down. Let's wait for about 2 minutes. Okay. I think nigahin na siya. Okay. Ato i-pull. Wow! Success! Nakuha! So, hashtag maestra na. Ano ba? Tawag ka rin. Technician ba? Look, wala na. Very good, very good, very good. Electrician.
Diba ang electrician? Yung nabili
Okay, gamit kayo na to.
Dito siya, electricity.
Sama na siya ang nabili ng pin. Inatoon na siya. Bye-bye. Thank you, Papa.